If your eggs keep sticking, your chicken cooks unevenly, or you feel like you're fighting your pan more than actually cooking, there's a good chance your cookware is the problem, not your skills. And that's exactly where something like the All-Clad D3 12-inch stainless steel fry pan starts to make a real difference. This pan has a bit of a reputation online, and for good reason. It's designed for home cooks who are ready to move past cheap nonstick and want something more reliable, more durable, and, honestly, more rewarding to cook with. But it's also not cheap, so the real question is, does it actually earn its place in your kitchen, or is it just hype? Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the weight and balance. It feels solid without being overly heavy, which is important because a 12-inch pan gets used for everything from eggs to full meals. The design is simple and clean, with that classic brushed stainless steel finish that looks professional but not flashy. The sides are slightly flared, which might seem like a small detail, but it actually makes tossing vegetables or flipping food way easier than straight-walled pans. The handle is riveted and stays cool longer than you'd expect, and it has a kind of U-shape that gives you a secure grip without digging into your hand. It's one of those things you don't think about until you use a bad handle, and then you really appreciate this one. Now, the real story here is the tri-ply construction. Instead of just being stainless steel, there's an aluminum core sandwiched between layers of steel. In real-world terms, that means heat spreads evenly across the surface instead of creating hot spots. So when you're cooking something like chicken or pancakes, you're not dealing with one side burning while the other side is undercooked. In everyday use, that translates to consistency. You turn the heat up, and the pan responds quickly. You lower it, and it adjusts just as fast. That level of control makes a big difference, especially if you're trying to get a proper sear or avoid overcooking delicate foods. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, sticking. Stainless steel is not non-stick, and if you go in expecting that, you'll be frustrated. But once you learn the basics, preheating the pan properly, adding oil at the right time, it actually performs really well. Eggs can slide, fish can release cleanly, and you get that beautiful browning you just can't achieve with nonstick. Cleaning is easier than you might think, too. Yes, food can stick if you're not careful, but most of it comes off with warm water and a bit of scrubbing. And because there's no coating, you don't have to worry about damaging anything. You can use metal utensils, scrub pots and pans, even toss them in the dishwasher if you want, though hand washing keeps them looking nicer. Another big plus is versatility. This pan works on basically every cooktop, including induction, and can go straight into the oven or even under the broiler at high temperatures. That means you can start something on the stove and finish it in the oven without switching pans, which is incredibly convenient for things like steaks or baked pasta dishes. That said, it's not perfect. The biggest downside is the learning curve. If you used a non-stick, this pan will feel unforgiving at first. You have to pay attention to heat levels and timing, and that can be frustrating if you just want something quick and easy. It's also more expensive than most pans people are used to buying, which makes it a bigger commitment up front. So, who is this actually for? If you cook regularly and want better results, this is a great upgrade. It's especially good for people who enjoy learning and improving their cooking skills. But if you mostly cook simple meals and want something low effort, a good non-stick pan might still be the better fit. Compared to other pans in this price range, this one stands out for its durability and consistent performance. Some cheaper stainless steel options exist, but they often don't distribute heat as evenly or feel as solid. On the higher end, you'll find similar performance, but not necessarily enough improvement to justify spending more for most people. At the end of the day, this pan isn't trying to be flashy. It's trying to be reliable, and it succeeds. It makes cooking feel more controlled, more predictable, and honestly, more enjoyable once you get the hang of it. If you're tired of replacing worn-out non-stick pans every year and want something that can last for decades, this is worth considering. Check out the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or read more reviews. And if this helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.